Hi, here we are at a nice little cottage in the woods. Welcome to Len's Fishery, the show where you see lots of fish. Today, we'll be talking to David and Matt. They're two fishermen just starting in the woods. I don't know how good they are. Let's see if we can see them from here, shall we? Now, this is where the great fishermen catch all their fish. Let's see. Oh my god, I was just attacked by a lure in the eye. Let's see if we can see these dummies catch any fish.
I'm gonna get a big sucker. Named Leonard.
Oh god.
Part 6. I got a camera. Wow!
Oh. Here, ladies and gentlemen. The great fisherman has caught a fish.
You ready? Watch the jump. Ready? Did you see that jump? Once again. Check it out, folks. Oh, he's taking out line. Swim, stupid fish. Oh, he's fighting. Oh, look at that jump. A 9.5 foot jump. Face jump.
Yeah.
Flap. Oh, did you see that hang time, people? Okay, now fish. Fish you back. Oh.
You hit my camera with that gross, slimy, juicy, wet fish. Now he's gonna die.
Hey, oh, you just tangled my line. Let go of the
hey.
Oh, you fruitcake. Tangled my line.
He calls me a fruitcake, and look what he did to you. I gotta go clean you. And back.
Come on, let me go.
We got fisherman number 2 here. Let's see how he'll do.
Come on, Matt. Jesus. We're supposed to flop right in the hand. Hey. What? You stole it. You fruit. I tugged back, too. Give me your line. Don't forget you might hit bottom, eh? Matt. I'm pulling in. I told you how to do it. I did it. You didn't. I meant you did the fruit way. You got a lot of dead minnows in there, don't you? No wonder you only get sunfish in your lake. How far? The whole thing? Yep. You gotta be joking. Are you talking every part of Georgian Bay or just this area? As far as we can see. I want to see those muscles. Right up top of them. Right up cowboy. Okay, that's it, buddy. That's it. You realize that now that we're out. Are you filming, you little? Are you filming? You better not be.
Well, I am.
What a fool. I love fires. Especially the word doesn't say it. La 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 la.
Look at me.
I don't want to touch it.
You got it this way.
Out here. Okay, so it's a little bit smaller, but still.
Excellent catch, man. Excellent. Yeah, I don't want to fall.
You filming?
Yep. Let's get some shots in before it rains. What in the world are you doing? You got the... Get the pro from here.
The fuck, dude?
Here we are fishing on Lake, whatever, it's one of the Great Lakes of the Bay, Georgian Bay, yes indeed, Bob Rooney. And here we have some of the fishermen. Me, Len, I caught one fish in the second cast that I ever threw here. Haven't caught one since, that was 4 hours ago. 4! And now here's another fisherman, Matt. Hey Matt, how's it going? How's it going? He caught one fish on his first one, and he's already sick. He only caught one. And there's Dave, he caught, I think, 2 or 3. 2? 2.
One like one.
2.
2 keepers.
2 fish.
Keepers.
He caught 2 fish. Can you believe it? I can't. Well, we'll be back for more footage from Len's fishery.
I'll pray that is.
There's Grandpa.
Going for a daily roll. He's on his first. Hey Lucy, I'm home.
We still haven't caught anything since last time we talked, but we're still trying. And now for these messages. Are you using these kind of lures? Well, don't. They don't work. Use this type. Tiny torpedo, #1 lure. Yes, indeed. Catches many fish. And now back to our program. I just got a fish. It's a huge one. It's a huge one. Oh. Here's my fish. Look at the size of him. It's humongous.
I think he's dead. Oh, look at it.
Oh my god. Look at the size of it. Look at the size of it, ladies and gentlemen. Here on Len's Fishery, you only get prime time fish. Prime time.
And in a live well.
Prime time fish, ladies and gentlemen. Look at those prime time fish. Yes, indeed. The birds coming in.
Don't you?
They want our fish,
Okay, that's it.
but they can't have them. Look at them all. Oh, wicked. Here's a nice one. Going for the dive.
Hey.
That was awesome. I
You know what?
it. I caught the wood.
Oh, it's just got big in that. You gonna just keep that? No, it's small.
Here, ladies and gentlemen.
How the fucking rock pass be on the fucking middle?
Got a fish.
I guess he didn't see the no
Here
rock
on Len's
pass
Fishery, prime time fish. There's a fisherman there. We might have some 3D fish in a moment.
3D fish. A little more 3D fish.
Hey, stop making noise. Whoa, Nelly! Whoa! I don't know if you saw that, ladies and gentlemen, but he just tried to throw a stinking smelling fish at me.
Oh, dot your lens.
It's already dotted, like, there's a fish flew in it already.
Are we going in the cove? To the bay or the dock? Whatever you want.
There's the cottage that we stayed at. Whoa, Nelly! Trying to kill me?
Yep.
He's trying to kill me.
Good, that means I don't have to get wet. Here. Grab this rope and pull the boat. Let you turn off your engine. Oh, yeah.
And now it's time to watch a guy clean him. I'm not touching him. No way. See?
Oh, look at that.
Hey.
Nice looking fish, eh?
Yeah, they look like bass almost.
Yeah. Same family, I think.
See, Vicky? Look at the crappies.
You sure you want to get this on film?
Yes.
Oh, wait, no, okay.
Oh, ew.
Ah, I love it. Yeah, kill him. Kill him. Who cares about David?
Yeah, who cares about David?
Look at David's face.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Hold this. Why am I too close?
That won't even look good.
I want to bet. I got mackerel. Skinning him alive, ladies and gentlemen.
Just like I am.
shit, that was gross.
My God, I can feel it wiggling still. You're not dead, are you, sucker?
Ouch. Full shot of you in the fish. You guys are next. Ha ha ha. Whoa, you guys are gonna be famous. Hi, fishy! You're dead! And I'm not eating you, he is. This hurts a lot. Oh, my back.
Just as nerves relax.
My back. Oh, my aching back.
Leonard, shut up.
My back is killing me.
Leonard.
Give me a chiropractor or something.
It's always against.
Oh, my stomach. Oh, that hurts. Oh, my aching stomach. What are you doing to me?
Taking his meat.
Oh, you're taking my meat out to help me. Oh, that would hurt. Oh. What? You want me to get lost? My God. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The great killing of the fish. And you heard him screaming there. I hated it, but I love to watch it. See the blood and when it squirted right at you? Wasn't it awesome? It was awesome. Yes, indeed. I'm getting dizzy, but it was awesome. Well, I hope you liked it. Bye. See you later. Oh God, I'm dizzy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Len's Fishery. Come back next week where we'll have a trout special. You'll love it, even though if you eat it, you'll die.